Hi, it's Rosa and I.
Is this videotaping right now?
Yeah, we're videotaping. I'm going to put it on Facebook. How's it going?
You're funny, Annette.
So we had our ice cream cake. It was excellent. Thanks to Rosa. Here's my boy. Oh, he's brushing his teeth. So we had a great day today on my birthday and had a fun time and went to Denny's for a free breakfast. I like anything free. Rosa's shy.
I'm very shy.
Yeah, she's shy right now. But this is my best buddy. We had a great time, and I hope everyone's having a good time today too. And tomorrow's chemo, and we're gonna kick some chemo butt. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye bye.